Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the RC-1 from Royal Coats. So, first off, I forget to mention this in every video, but if you are new here to the channel, please get down there, hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. But anyway, let's get into the video and check this thing out. Alright, guys, so the post office just dropped this off, and we have our RC-1 from Royal Coats. So I'm gonna go ahead get this thing opened up, and we're gonna take a look at everything together. Alright, so first things first, we have here our hopper upgrade. So I did opt for the hopper upgrade, the light attachment, and something else. Fan tip. So we have our hopper upgrade here. I believe it said this is a 12-foot powder hose, and then the hopper itself. And then I would assume in this box will be the RC-1 itself. Alright, so in this box here we do have the RC-1 itself. So I kind of like this packaging. It's pretty nice. Now, again, we do have our fan tip here. So that is an upgrade along with the hopper. We have our flashlight attachment, which I assume is charged, pretty bright. So it's very nice. Looks like it's got multi-function. I don't know if I'll ever use multi-function, but have our air hose here, and then some little, just for the light, and got the power for the control box, the power for the gun, and the gun is underneath here. So I'm going to get the rest of the stuff out, and we will take a look at everything. Okay, so if you get just the standard RC-1 setup, this is kind of what you get. You have 3 different conical tips. These will slide on and off of here. You got, again, 3 different styles, or I guess sizes, if you will. Let's pop right back on. You have your air hose. The air hose will hook in right here. Take this little nut off, slip your air hose on, tighten that down. And then it will go onto your cup right there, a little quick connect fitting. This will screw on right here on the bottom of the gun itself. You have your power, which will go from here directly to the bottom of the gun. And I believe, if I remember correctly, this is 12 foot. And the powder hose, if you get the hopper upgrade, is also 12 foot. So that is nice, because as y'all know, some of you know, I have an Eastwood right now, and that thing is very, very limited. But anyway, you have your ground. There's a very nice alligator clip on this. Super surprised by that. The one on the Eastwood that I had first wasn't great. They kind of upgraded it with the PCS 250, but still not all that great, really. So that is nice. You have your control box, obviously, and then, like I said, I opted for the light, which I'll show y'all how to put that on here in a second, and the fan tip and the hopper upgrade. With the hopper upgrade, you do get this adapter that will thread here into the bottom of the gun, and then you attach your powder hose directly to the bottom here. So relatively simple. On the hopper upgrade, your airline will go into the top here, and then the other end of your powder hose will connect right there. So all relatively simple, but I'm going to go ahead, throw this, and I'm going to throw the cup on and show y'all how that kind of looks and what the purpose is for this stand. Okay, so went ahead and fitted the cup onto the bottom of the RC-1. And one thing that is very nice is they give you a stand here that you can put on your workbench or whatever you're using to set all this stuff up on, and it gives you something to hold your gun set up, which is very nice. So y'all know on the Eastwood, we just finished the powder coat booth a couple weeks ago, and had to figure out something for that because it's a pain in the butt, really. So this is very nice, and there also is a hanger up here on the top that you can use. So that is very nice. But I'm gonna go ahead, fit the flashlight on here, and I guess we'll take this thing outside and set it up. I don't have anything to powder coat today, but I will have a video in the future on powder coating with this thing. But I'm going to go ahead and fit the light attachment on here and show y'all how that kind of works. Okay, so fitting your light attachment, you do have to spin off the cone here on the end, and then the light attachment itself just slides right on there like so. So nice fit. It's not like super tight, but at the same time, I mean, it's not gonna fall off. So that is, I like that. That's very nice. And then with this, you know, it kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of light spots or anything like that. The way I'm doing it right now, again, I have the Eastwood, and I believe they sell a light attachment for the Eastwood. I don't know that for sure, but I'll also link this down below. I don't get paid anything if y'all go buy from that link, but for anybody that wants to get one of these yourself, I will leave that link down below. But again, the way I'm doing it right now is just taking my phone or a shop light or something and running around a part and hoping that I can see any issues. But I do like this, so I'm going to go ahead and set this whole deal up. Probably just going to set it up in here and show you all kind of how everything works. Okay, so for your airline, again, you take this little collar off, slide your airline over the nipple, make sure it's on there good, and you can come in here, tighten that back up, and you'll be good to go there. Now, on these connectors, if you ever installed like some pretty nice rock lights, they have these same kind of connectors on them, where they do have a notch cut in them. Line that notch up like so. Let me hold that real quick, get that in there, and then tighten your collar here. And then the same goes for the bottom of the gun here. On the back of the unit, you have a wing nut here for your ground. You can use this ground, or if you have a earth ground, which is kind of what I would like to do here in the near future, you can do that as well. But for your ground, as far as the alligator clip right here, and then plug your power cord in, and then you have your male end for your air already on the system itself. So after this, again, this goes on to the bottom of your RC-1 right there, and then your air, the other end of your air goes right here into this quick connect if you're using the cup, or if you're using the hopper, that will go into the top of the hopper right here, and then you have this adapter. So I'm going to take this off and show y'all kind of how that works with the adapter, and then I reckon that's probably going to be it for this video, I think. Alright, so take your cup off, you take the adapter that comes with the hopper upgrade. It threads in right here on the bottom of the gun itself, and then your powder hose will go directly onto that barbed fitting. The other end, again, will go onto the barbed fitting here on the hopper. So it's very simple. I do like the whole system. Everything feels nice, feels nice quality, whatnot. Again, they're not paying me to make this video. I don't get anything if you buy this system. I bought this myself. I think it shows on here. Yeah, we cover my address. So you can see right there, $535 is what I paid for this entire deal. I believe the RC-1 by itself is $400. I believe the hopper upgrade's $100, and the light attachment I believe is $35. So not terribly bad, but we will here in the next couple days or so, if I can figure out something to powder coat, I'll have to look and see if we have anything in the shop that you know, just scrap parts that we can powder coat or whatever. We'll make another video on this thing, see how it does, and well, I reckon we'll go from there. As far as fitting the fan tip itself, I will show you all that. Fairly simple. Spin off the cone here on the end of your gun, like so. Get that off of there. This pops right off. Take your cone off here on the end. This will slide directly off, and then I believe the fan tip goes right on. So let me double check that real quick. You might have to pull this off as well. Yeah, so pull this whole deal off, and then this will slip directly in there. Your end piece goes back on, threads on just like so, and there you have it. And just like any kind of paint gun or whatever, you can spin your fan tip, you know, for your preference. But anyways, I'm going to set all this stuff back up here on the table, get a thumbnail for y'all, and then I reckon we'll end out the video here. Alright guys, so here we have it. Everything that comes with the RC-1, and I did kind of fail to mention, on your control box here, this is your kV adjustment. So this thing is 100 kV adjustable, like a lot of the more, I guess, mid-level, sort of, mid to professional level systems generally are 100 kV adjustable. So that is nice. But there you have everything. So guys, I reckon that's going to be a wrap for this video. Like I said, in you know, one of the next videos or so here on the channel, we are going to be setting this thing up fully and giving it a shot, see what we can do with it, see how it does. And well, I guess that's going to be it for today's video. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.